Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to add a custom CTB file in Autocad. So let's get started. First, make sure your CTB file is ready. Over here, open Autocad, type OP in the command line, and press Enter. Then go to the Files tab. After that, expand the Printer Support File Path option. Over here, expand the Plot Style Table Search Path option. Then double-click the Plot Style Table Search Path folder. After that, the folder will open in File Explorer. Over here, copy your custom CTB file and paste it into this folder. Then close File Explorer and return to Autocad. After that, open the Plot dialog using the Plot command or from the toolbar. Over here, check the plot style options and confirm that your custom CTB file appears in the list. Then select the CTB file for your plotting setup. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.